Have you or anybody that you know ever had a mini anxiety attack or may even suffer from PTSD from trying to transfer your old phone and the data to your new phone? If so, and you're watching this, I'm pretty sure you're not alone. My job here today is to show you how to easily transfer your stuff from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. Okay, y'all, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn on the device here. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and power the device on. Typical hello from Apple right there. If you ever had an iPhone, you're used to seeing that. Swipe up, you pick your language, of course. We're gonna go with English. I also wanna turn this on too, because I'm gonna show you guys something. There it is. Before I could even talk about it, it popped up. So I could not press anything else on this phone. If you have your old phone near you, now this is gonna be a major key for those of you guys out there that don't know your Apple ID password. I'm gonna briefly show you guys how you can easily transfer all your data from iPhone to iPhone without having to take your phone back into a store or go into panic mode because you think you're gonna lose your stuff. This process is gonna seamlessly transfer everything over. What we wanna do now is hit continue, and everything is gonna be done from this device until further notice, actually after this step. All right, so we're gonna take this and we're gonna line it up like so. Boom, you'll feel a little vibration right there. That's how you know it's complete. Now, what it's gonna do is literally set up all of your settings on this phone just like they are on this phone. It's literally going to mirror the settings and the apps and all that other cool stuff. So you'll just put your password in from this phone. Now, if you don't have your phone, let's just say you lost your phone's too beat up, your old device, another option would be just continue to go through the settings as normal, and it'll give you the iCloud option, which is, I think it's still gonna give me. But the phone-to-phone transfer, in my opinion, was one of the single best inventions. I know Apple has some, a lot of good inventions, but this was one of the best. All right, so set up Face ID. We'll actually set that up later. I know y'all don't care about any of that. So if you want to set it up, you can set it up. But for the sake of this video, I'm setting it up later for y'all. Now, check this out, y'all. So we're gonna hit continue. It's basically saying the transfer time will take anywhere from 25 to 35 minutes. And it's literally gonna move everything over from phone to phone. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit agree here. I don't know what I'm agreeing to. I'm gonna be real with y'all. And I'm pretty sure y'all don't read the terms and agreements. Not only from Apple, but y'all probably don't read the terms and agreements from anywhere else either. So don't judge me and act like y'all read terms, because I know y'all don't read terms. Maybe if we read the terms, you know what, I'm not even gonna say that in my video. I'm honestly setting all this up later, y'all. You can set it up. All right, so now we're preparing the transfer. The moment we all been waiting for. And boom, just like that. Just like that, y'all. All right, y'all, so got about 27 minutes left. I'm not gonna sit here for 27 minutes. I'm gonna make me a snack, give my kids a knuckle sandwich, give my wife a kiss, and I'll meet y'all back here in about 30 minutes. Now, just make sure before you give this phone away or before you trade it in, please go to settings, type in the search bar, erase, and then you'll see erase all contents and settings pop up. You'll want to do that, and it'll take your iCloud off of there where somebody else can now use the device. You especially want to do this if you're trading your device in, because with most carriers, what'll happen is if you trade this phone in and your Apple ID is still registered to that device, they will keep your phone, but they will charge you, and they will take the promo back. So keep that in mind. All right, y'all, so we back in action. I'm gonna put this password in. Nice password was just for the video. If y'all ever run across my stuff, that's never gonna be a password of mine. Just wanted to say that. So I'm gonna continue to set that up later. Terms and conditions. Do y'all read those? I don't read it. Maybe I'll take the time to read it one day, but today ain't that day. But now we're gonna skip that bad boy, and we're gonna keep it moving. We're gonna set all that up later. We're gonna do that, not now. And voila, boom. Apps will continue to download. There we have it, y'all. All our stuff is transferred over, and we can now start using our new smartphone.